this new tower here is really starting to take shape and starting to take color as well. Little hints of blue, as you can see. Let's get a closer look and see where they are with this tower. That empty lot right there was the Rainbow Court motel. I have a video on that one of the demolition of it and the actual walkthrough of the hotel prior to its demolition if you really want to see what it looked like. But we're not here for that, and we're not here for that ocean either. We're here to look at a new hotel being built in this direction. Good to know if you want a Starbucks fix if you're in this area. There's a little Starbucks within that hotel there, the Bayview. So I don't know if you can hear me very well, but let's take a closer look at what looks like an indoor water park. Very interesting ceiling tiles. Like a drop ceiling, possibly lighting up in those corners. That hint of blue. You can see the blue accents already in place. In case you're wondering where we are, we're actually at the end of 6th Avenue North, as depicted by the big number 6 somewhere around here. Where's the number 6? There it is.